Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the levothyroxine medicine. The start the levothyroxine the 50 mcg daily. Start the levothyroxine at the weight based on the 1.6 mcg per kg per day. Monitor the thyroid but do not start the levothyroxine. Order the thyroid ultrasound. TSH in the elderly. Rising the TSH is expected with aging. Experts recommend a higher TSH level in elderly, and potential risk of over replacement with the levothyroxine is not outweighed by potential benefits of treating the subclinical hypothyroidism in the population. Thus, recommend the rechecking TSH in 4 to 8 weeks. The 39 young females with concern that the levothyroxine does not work for her, and she has taken thyroid hormone replacement for 4 years with fluctuating levels. The third month at age was the 0.23 with the normal FT4. Today, TSH is the 7.9 with normal FT4. TSH has been above and below goal over the past few years. The holiday are a time of the wonder for intense. I have been wondering if the endocrinologist will ever get a clue. Potential causes: inconsistent adherence, decreased absorptions, 2 by 2 malabsorptions, and indigestions, food pills, or interfering meds. Change in the estrogen status, pregnancy, menopause, OCPs, change in the formulations, the genetic or the pharmacy gets levothyroxines from the different manufacturers, change in the requirement due to decreasing the residual functions or non-suppressed endogenous gland function. When to think of the myxedema, coma symptoms, and there are the bradycardia, hypoventilations, hypotensions, effusions, and the CNS changes, seizures, stuffers, and the essential element for diagnosis confirmed by the laboratory testing: altered mental status, coma, unusual generally disorientation, extreme lethargy, defective thermoregulation, defective hypothalamic functions, and inability to produce the heat, precipitating event or illness in common, pulmonary and urinary tract infection common. If concerned about myxedema, coma, and need the admission. IV high dose glucocorticoid therapy, hydrocortisone 100 mg, then 50 mg, and 100 mg for, if possible, send the cortisol's level prior. After steroid, give the 4 thyroid replacement combo T4 T3. Load the 4 LT4 200 400 mcg followed by 1.6 mcg per kg per day. Load T3 5 to 20 mcg followed by the 2.5 and the 10 mcg 8 hours. T3 decontinued once stable. T4 only. Load for LT4 300 to 500 mcg. Bolus to state the saturate pools, then 50 to 100 mcg daily. T3 only. There are the 10 to 20 mcg followed by the 10 mcg for 1 to 2 days. If the fourth is not available, use PO. Gut well edema and or the gastric atony may impair PO absorption. So in today's class, I discuss about the myxedema, coma, and also about the TSH, levothyroxine. Thank you for watching.